nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm back to slay. What's up, everybody? So first of all, let's just get through this. Did I say or manifest that UNICE Hair was going to have some crochet human hair on their site soon? Girl, when I said I wanted to try their crochet human hair, but I didn't find it at the time, did they really just come out with some of their crochet human hair? Like, girl, UNICE is everything. You know where you can find them at? On Amazon, Amazon Prime. Get your stuff on time. Girl, I'm ready to wash my hair, and so I was definitely going to reinstall these, but then when UNICE said we got some crochet miracle knot hair, girl was like, what? Hello. Now, y'all know how much I love them. They're very affordable, girl. They have the best of the best of the best for less. And if y'all haven't never tried one of their wigs, then girl, what you waiting for? Because when I tell you they got some wigs on deck, they got some pre-everything wigs on deck. So I did get 4 packs of their hair, and this is the water wave, and each one is in 20 inches. So we're just going to open up one, and we're going to see what it looks like. It does come on one of the rings, which is great because I do love that. And girl, okay. I don't think, why would I accept anything less? This hair is gorgeous. UNICE definitely has some great hair, and it smells good too. This actually smells really, really good. 20 inches. This is 4 packs, okay? This hair is gorgeous. When I tell you I manifested this, I manifested this. Like, I wanted to try their crochet hair for a minute after I already had installed crochet hair. I knew that they was gonna come through and make crochet hair. When I tell you I'm excited because I love doing the miracle knots. This is a style that you can just rock for weeks and just be hair carefree. Like, as long as you moisturize and just do your thing and just wrap your hair up at night, then your braids, your locks, your crochet hair will last so long. And as long as you maintain it, it'll definitely last long. Plus, it's so easy versus me always putting 2 cornrows in my hair and throwing on a baseball cap. Girl, I be looking cute now with my crochet hair. So let's jump into this and install it, okay? Let's not talk about my parts in the back because, listen, I cannot see the back of my head. I did have a mirror up, but I did notice that some of them was a little bit off. But once you put the hair in, you're not even gonna know. So let's not just judge me on my parts, but also my hair is very thin, so my braids are smaller. So this is what it's looking like in the back. Let's not talk about the parting, y'all, okay? Because we gonna go past that. I'm gonna do the back off camera. Once I get up to the front, I'm gonna bring y'all in, and I don't want y'all to sit here for too long, okay?
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew. Like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, that shit that I can. When the baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
All right, y'all, I am done. Hello, hello. I had to use all 4 packs of the hair. There was 36 pieces in each ring that I counted. I don't really know if it is due to the length. If you probably get a shorter length, you're more than likely going to get more hair. You know how that goes, like the same with bundle hair. So 36 pieces in each, and I do feel like I probably may have did a little bit extra braids in my own hair, only because I used the entire 4 packs. But I actually really do like this. As y'all seen, I went ahead and wetted her up and such. Now, the one thing I will tell you, I did use the same gel that I used the last time, and I'm gonna just be honest and say I think I caked on so much gel this time around that it got like white residue or filming like in my head. So what I'm gonna have to do is kind of like spray some oil sheen on certain parts of my own natural hair just to get that dullness out from the actual gel. These Miracle Knots styles are so nice. I actually really do like them. Very easy. You could just wear this for days and days and days, for weeks and weeks and weeks. And that's what I love the most about it, is because I can redo my hair just like this and not have to worry about doing it any day at all. And like I said, I still am able to do my wig videos with this particular hair in, only because I don't put a lot. So I did put 2 strands on each braid. In the front, more or less, there's 3, but not too many pieces like that. For the most part, this hair look cute, baby. This is what the back is looking like. Really pretty and full. Hey. Hi. Say hi. She is between the ages of 2 to 3. She is a rescue, and her name is Muffin. If you haven't seen my Real Talk, I did not name her after me. The rescue shelter had already named her. That's how I knew that me and her was meant to be. She is a long-haired Chihuahua, and she's actually had her own babies, but of course, I don't know where her babies are because she was just straight on the street. But this is her. She's my sweetheart, right? She's been healing my heart after the passing of my pancake, so I'm very grateful for being able to find a new fur baby that can heal me, right? And she loves being around me. Who wouldn't love being around me, right? But for the most part, this hair is gorgeous. I do like this. It's really easy to maintain. Miracle Knot crochet hair, it's super easy to maintain. I just put 4 braids in my hair at night and pin it up, so that way it just gets flatter. And then over time, I'll put a bun in my hair and sleep like that. But this came out really cute. I wish I wouldn't have put so much gel on each one of my braids this time. I did do a curved side part, and you probably really can't tell, but this is the curve right here. I love when I gotta do my hair like that. Maybe I shouldn't have did the curve part. I don't even know, girl. I can pull it up like so, and I love to wear it like this. This is how I always wear my hair. But for the most part, really nice hair, really easy. I love UNICE. They have some really nice hair. Their wigs are bomb. And you know, you can always get this hair on Amazon. Amazon Prime. Get your UNICE hair on time. I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay diva and divolicious. Stay out the way, motivated, positive, mind your business. If you stay to the end, give me a pink heart. I love y'all. I gotta go because it is my daughter Nay's 24th birthday. Today is the 30th of April, and I'm about to make some chicken and rice and things like that. So on that note, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.